Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study AP Chemistry effectively. First, understand the exam structure and content, which includes 60 multiple-choice questions and 7 free response questions. Then, review foundational concepts thoroughly. Practice with various question types, and always use official College Board resources. This structured approach will help you maximize your preparation and achieve a strong score on the exam. Mastering core concepts is crucial for AP Chemistry success. Concentrate on key areas like stoichiometry, thermodynamics, and kinetics. Ensure you grasp atomic structure and bonding principles, as these form the basis for many topics. A solid understanding of equilibrium and acid-base chemistry, along with electrochemistry and basic organic chemistry, will prepare you for diverse exam questions. Consistent practice with exam-style questions is vital. Work through past AP Chemistry free response questions, paying attention to the scoring guidelines. Complete multiple-choice sections under timed conditions, aiming for about 1 minute and 30 seconds per question. Analyze your incorrect answers to understand why they were wrong, and simulate full-length exams to build your endurance and time management skills. As the exam approaches, refine your study strategy. Create flashcards for key terms, formulas, and important reactions. Consider collaborating with peers in study groups to discuss challenging concepts and quiz each other. Don't hesitate to seek clarification from your teacher on any difficult topics. Finally, ensure you get adequate rest before the exam day to perform your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.